Okay, now I'll show you how to add a logo to your Facebook page and how to customize it. So, on the left-hand side, in the shortcuts, you will see a link to your page. Simply click it. And here you can customize it. So, simply click on this logo and update. Now select Upload Photo and choose from the photos. Now we'll have a chance to add the photo or save it. And we've got a message that this photo is too small for the profile picture to be clear. However, I'll just upload it and see how it looks. If I need to design a bigger one, I'll just have to replace it. So click Save for now. Okay, so this is how this picture looks like. Our profile picture. So, for example, if you post as your business, this will be visible as your business page logo. So this is how you add new logo to your Facebook business page. It's very, very easy and simple.